Hi, this is Chris, 24K. Today we're taking a look at the Speck ShieldView glass designed for impact for the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone 11 Pro Max, so it works with both. It's shatter and scratch resistant. We'll give you some quick details on the back. You can pause the video at any time, take a look at what it has to offer, but we're excited for the way it installs on the phone. So in the kit, it comes with the goof-proof guide. So basically you set your phone underneath and it has all the spacing that you need right here. So you set it on your phone and then the glass goes on perfectly every time. They give you in the kit some additional ways to clean your screen before you put the glass on so you don't have any bubbles, which is also cool. And it's good for the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPhone XS Max. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.